Here's a radio, and let's see how to modify that clock to set it 1 hour forward. First, power on the radio using that button, the upper left corner. Power it on. Reduce the volume. Now long press this menu button, the center right. We have to go here to system settings using this rotating knob. I rotated it to the right. Now enter into system settings by pressing in that button. Here we have time and date. Go there by rotating it to the right. Enter. Set time and date. That's the first one. Enter there also. And I have to modify that 21. So to skip to the next one, just press in the button, because if I rotate it, notice it's modifying the number. So press it in. That's the year, and whichever is flashing, that is modified. So set it to 22 instead of 21 and accept it. Accept it. Press the menu button again to get out, and that's it. Now the clock is modified. It's 1 hour forward. So for example, now it's 10 o'clock at night. That is 22 o'clock. And we can do it in another way also. The radio is on. It was powered on using that. We can long press the same menu button to the same location, system settings, time/date. And we can use this daylight savings also. Now it is off. And let's set it to on. So once again, daylight saving, now it's on, and the star is here at on. There's nothing there. Let's exit from here using the back button. It's not going forward, so let's use the info button. And now the time is not 22 but 23.